Hello friends, this is Atika Budare from Extra Code YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I'm gonna teach you what is print function and what are comments in Python. So let's get started. So friends, first I will open a folder from here, Python tutorial, and will add it. Okay. Now here, I will add new file to this folder. Let's name it tude1.py. Okay. So here we will write tude1.py. .py is the extension of Python file, so you have to write it. Okay, but if you don't write it, it may cause problem to your file. Okay, so now let me increase the size. You can increase the size if you are using VS Code by pressing Ctrl plus plus. Okay, if you are using VS Code, you can press Ctrl plus. It will increase the size. For decrease, you can press Ctrl minus. Okay, so now what does print function do? Okay, if you want to print anything on your screen, you can use print function. Okay, suppose if you want to print hello world, you can write it like this: print hello world. Okay, so what have you done here? You just have to write print and then put parenthesis, as you can see, and inside this parenthesis you have to write double quotes, and then inside double quotes you can write any text you want. Now if we will run it, as you can see that hello world has printed right here. Okay, now here if we will write hello world like this inside single quotes. Okay, so now if we will run it, as you can see there are two hello world, right? Hello world has printed two times, first for this one and second one for this one. Okay, that means you can write either in double quotes or in single quotes. Okay, you can write it according to your convenience. Okay, now if you want to write print 2 plus 2, okay, 2 plus 2, okay, you have written in double quotes, inside double quotes. As you can see here, 2 plus 2 has been printed as it is. Okay, now if you want the sum of 2 plus 2, so you have to remove double quotes or single quotes. You just have to write it like this inside parenthesis, right? As you can see the syntax. Now if we will run it, as you can see here is the answer 4, right? So you may be wondering why we have to write hello world like this inside double quote or single quotes, and we have to write 2 plus 2 like this to get the answer. This is because of data types, right? If we write anything inside double quotes or single quotes, the thing will print as it is. Okay, but if you want to have the sum or multiplication or anything else, you have to write it outside the quotes. Suppose if you write this hello world without any quotes, it will throw an error. Okay, so as I told you, it is because of data types, so you don't have to worry about it. We will learn about data types in deep in my next video. Okay, so Now if you want to write anything inside this hello world, like you have used double quotes out there, and you can use single quotes here also, and you can write anything inside it also. Suppose like we again write it world here. Now if we will run it, as you can see here it is written hello world. Okay, and this world has been quoted inside single quotes, and here also like you have written double quotes, you can use double quotes right here and write world. As you have used single quotes outside, you can use double quotes inside it. Okay, now if you will run it, as you can see hello world, hello world. The second world has been quoted inside double quotes, right? But if you write it like this, you have used single quotes outside also, and you have used single quotes inside also. So you can't do like this, it will throw an error. Okay, you can write it like this. Means if you have used double quotes outside, you can use single quotes inside it. And if you have used single quotes outside, you can use double quotes inside. Hope you got it. Okay, now what are comments? Comments are for users, so that user can understand why did he or she wrote this code, for what purpose, right? Suppose you wrote this code today and you close or file. Okay, next day if you again open it, you forgot for what purpose was this code written, right? So just for users convenience, we use comments. Comments are written like this hash, and then you can write anything here. This code prints hello world. Okay, as I told you, comments are used for users convenience, so Python won't consider here we will hello. Okay, so Python won't consider this line. This line is for user only. Okay, but if you write it like this, as you can see here, there are red underlines right there, right? So you have to write it like this only. There's a shortcut for doing this also, like you wanna comment out these two lines, so you have to select these two lines, and then you can press control slash, right? Just select the line, or you can put the cursor also, like suppose this is the line, you can point out this line and press control slash, right? And guys, if you want to write multi-line comments, you can write it like this. And here you can write this is a multi-line comment. Okay, as you can see here, I have put 3 single quotes here and 3 single quotes at the end of the line. Okay, and if you want, you can use double quotes as well. 1 2 3. Okay, this is a multi-line comment, right? You can use either triple single quotes, or you can use triple double quotes like this. You can write multi-line comment like this, and if you want, you can write like this also. This is a multi-line comment. Okay, and here select all the three lines and press Ctrl plus slash. This will also comment all the lines. Okay, so these are comments. Hope you got it, but if you haven't, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you. So see you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.